So yes, so we have this right now. I've attached everything. Now what is next? I'm going to share. So I can easily go here. See, there is another option. Okay, suppose assume that you're in the midnight and you're preparing all this thing and you've attached everything and you don't want to post it now. So what you can do, you can always schedule your post. As you can see on the screen, before, I mean, next to the post, there is a drop down button. If you click that, you can always schedule this posting. So that is in in sometimes I do this. I always, if I prepare my classes, I know when I have to post it. So I schedule my post. I make sure and what time, when, which day, and what time I have to schedule it. If I do that, the post will be automatically posted during that time. So right now, what I'll do is that I'll post it immediately. Okay, mostly that is what we will do. Now I'm just posting this. Now you can see from your students' account of this particular class. Can you go and see that? You're able to see the material, whatever I have posted. Can you see? Can you go and see there? If you can see, just raise your hand. If you can see all this, just can raise your hand. So I don't know who's this Dilip. I'm going to unmute and I want to hear from you. Dilip?
Just hold on. Yes,
Yes.
Just a minute, sir.
Yes, sir. Anybody is ready? Vishal, can you talk to me?
No, sir, it is available
Mr.
in my
Vishal?
screen. Yeah,
Mr.
it is
Vishal,
available in my.
Yes, sir. It is available in your class, and you can also add some
Yeah.
comments. I'm seeing as a teacher, some people are adding some comments. I'm going to view the material. Fantastic. Great. You can just click on anything and you will know that it is opening up. Okay. That's brilliant. Fantastic. Thank you, sir. Fantastic. So I want everybody to have an hands-on. If anybody is finding difficulty, please let me know. Who's this Doran? I would like to hear. Doran, who's that? I'm trying to unmute. Can you hear me? Yes. Okay. Anybody is having problem? Raju Ghosh. So Raju Ghosh, you have any problem?
No, it's okay.
Yeah. Can
Hello.
you see that? Yeah. I can hear you, sir.
Okay, it's okay.
Okay. Can you able to see it?
Yes.
Okay. So you can raise your hand so that I'll know that you have access.
Okay. I'm raising my hand.
Okay. Thank you. I understand. Okay. You are on the Google thing, right? Fantastic. So good. So now that we have created, I can see people started sharing their comments on this. So now one stage is over. Now the next thing is that I'm going to again go to the class, and we are so excited to know how to, now that we know how to add some material which is already there in my drive, which is there already there in my system or somewhere. Now, is there anything I can create on my own? This is something beautiful. So I'm going to do something on, let's say, vectors, whatever. I'm just putting some head title called vectors, which is coming under chapter 1. Let's say I'm going to type exercise 5.2, whatever it is, 5.3, and I'm going to come here and I'm going to create a material. What I can do here, I will recommend you people not to use this often. Instead, you can do two things here. Suppose, let's say, I want to create something called, okay, let me do again on prime only, prime numbers. Let's make it a little interesting. I'm going to say prime number. I'm going to come here. I want to attach a document. I can click on this doc. It will automatically create a Google Doc. Google Doc is nothing but, as I mentioned earlier, it is Microsoft Word. In other words, they call it as a Google Doc. So you can just click on this. It will open up on the next, another tab. So I'm not pretty sure you can do this from your laptop, mobile phone version. Let me quickly check if I can do that. Just give me a second. I'm going to create material and attach. No, if you're doing it from your mobile phone, you have only that particular option. You cannot, you have only this attachment option. You don't have the option of creating. So let's not get into this in detail. I'm just showing you, just throwing some light on this and not getting in detail of this. So this is where you can type the questions. I can type here. What is it even? As I said, it is just like, a Word document where you can type or you can attach an image. What you can do anything here. So you can attach an image from the drive, or you can even do anything. You can do that. Okay. And if you just close it, it will just automatically, if you close this window, it will be already attached. So if the student is again clicking on this, they'll see this question on the screen. Okay, I'll show you how does it work. Now, what else I can do, sir? I can talk about this Google Forms. I'll tell you how effectively you can create this Google form in the quiz thing. So if some teacher has asked me how to create. Now, again, I'm going to do as usual, create the topic chapter number 3, and I'm going to post it. Now you can see that on your screen. Now you can open the doc. Can you see that quickly, teachers? Just make sure you can able to see that. If you're able to see. Can you able to see, teachers? Is it opening? I want to see it from your student's view. You can raise your hand. You can raise your hand if you can see it. Yes. In fact, you will get a notification that the post of the post. Yes. Can you able to open the doc? Fantastic. So I'll just quickly share the mobile version from the student's perspective. You should be able to see like this on your mobile phone. If the students should be able to see like this under chapter 3. Under chapter 3, because only chapter created, and as you see, I'm going to see the recent post always comes on the top. That is how it works. So you can click on that. Good. So you can simply click on the doc. It will just open up. Anita, you want to say something, Anita? I'll just unmute you. You can. Yes. Anita, you can talk now. Anita,
Yeah,
can you
sir.
hear me? Yes. Yeah.
Yeah, sir. Even we can create a folder using Android, sir. That is what I want to tell.
Okay. Okay. Where is it? What folder is that, Anita? So that the teachers will know clearly. You can unmute and talk. I'm trying to
A
unmute
create
you.
option is there, sir. After that new PDF. I'm saying
One
Android,
second.
sir. Yes.
In your okay, in your Android. Yeah, it shows in the Android actually.
Yeah.
Okay. So this is what you say.
Yeah.
In this, I'm going to the teacher's thing, some random class. On the classwork, I press on this. Where is that? Material.
An option create new PDF.
I don't see that option. We get only this 5 options.
Oh.
Maybe in some phone you will get. In different devices, you might get some extra features.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Okay. Thank you. So I think, yes, teachers, you can see this. So right now what we have done is that we have created materials and we have shared it to the students, and we know how to attach it, and we also know how to create it. So you can even try in your own classroom. You already have in your mobile phone. And anybody wants to share anything? Jagwinder Singh sir, you wanted to share something? I can unmute you so that you can tell your experience to us.
Sir, nothing. It's good. I'm learning things.
Okay, good, great. Hari PD Sharma, you wanted to say something?
It's okay, sir.
Good, all good?
Yes, sir. Actually, sir, just I have prepared this one quiz for Google Form only.
Yeah, okay.
Just I'm going to conduct on this 12th for class 12
Fantastic.
students.
Yes, I'll tell you how to create quiz now.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Thank you. So the next thing comes is about creating the quiz, which is so exciting for everyone, even for the teacher and for the students and everything. The moment when you click on this, it is very easy. This can happen only through your, desktop version. Please, I would solidly recommend you to do that. So you can click on this. You can click on. So this option is not available in your mobile phone. Please don't wonder that why it is not there, because that is a extra perk we are getting when you're using the desktop version. So you can do this from your laptop, or you can try doing it from some laptop. If you can find it, you can just create a quiz, where the blank quiz is already created. So let me post a quiz quickly. So I'm going to ask a simple math quiz. Okay. So let us have a quick quiz. I'm going to create. You see how I'm creating from the desktop. So please answer. I'm going to give the instruction. Please answer all the questions on time. Okay. Now I'm going to allot some marks for this. Let me come back to this. Let me say I'm going to allot some, 5 marks for this. Okay. So I'm going to have a due do it before Monday night. Okay. The topic is coming under, again, numbers. So let's say I'm going to put this on the second chapter so that you can see a different chapter. So you forget about this rubrics. So I'm not going to share what is rubrics now for time being. I'm just clicking on the Google form. This is what it opens up. Okay. So now this is ready. Please watch it carefully. Are you guys with me? Just raise your hand if you're with me. I would like to know you guys are with me. You guys are following whatever is going on. Just quickly raise your hand. Yes. Done. Fast, fatafat. Just quickly raise your hand. I would like to know if everybody is engaged. Everyone who's watching, everyone. I want every one of you to raise your hand. So only then I'll know whether you guys are following. Good. Thamra, Tayal ma'am. Good. Thank you. So let's come back. Let's come back to this. So what is happening? There's a blank quiz. If you want, you can rename the quiz. I'm going to call it as a math, something called math quiz. You can name it as, it's like fun quiz. Let's have a fun now. So sorry, it's like have a fun quiz. Description, I'm going to say answer. I'm going to say answer all. So I'm going to come back to the questions. Once you click this, you see, I'm here, nothing is happening. I'm moving my cursor here. It is the untitled question. You can find this option. I'm just clicking on this untitled question. It comes here. So I'm going to type the question. What is the question? I'm going to ask a very tough question to you all. We're going to do this quiz right away. I'm going to ask a question. What is 2 plus 3? Okay. So I recommend you people, say the option is that here you can attach an image here. That option is there. Okay. You can come here. You can attach an image from your drive. You can do it, or I would recommend you people to keep it as a multiple option, just because not everybody can type short answer in this, because it is not always going to be a paragraph answer where the students can type everything here. Okay. So I would recommend you people to keep it as a interesting quiz option where you keep it only as a multiple choice thing. So it will be fun for the students. So I'm going to create the options. So it is default. You will find this multiple choice. So you don't have to change anything. Come here. I'm going to give the options. I'm going to give the options as 4. The second option, next option, I'm going to give it as 3. The second option, I'm going to give it as 5. The fourth option, I'm going to give it as 6. And I'm going to give an interesting option. I'm going to say, I don't know. If you don't know, you feel free to do it. Now, since it's a quiz, you have to fix the answer. What is the answer key? You can see here, there's an answer key. We have to fix it with the points. So I'm going to come here, click on that. I'm going to say, what is the answer? What is 2 plus 3? I think I'm very sure it is 5. So I'm going to give marks. I'm giving 1 mark for this, okay? Please make a point. And I can give answer feedbacks. You can, if it is an incorrect answer, you can tell them, this is what it is and all that. You can tell them. For correct answer, you can tell them, great job. So, you can make it fun. And for incorrect answer, you can say, you can type something. Okay, I'm just saving this. So you get this. And now, this is only for the first question. What's for the next second question, what I should do? I think you all understood. Let me create another question. For creating a next question, I have to go here. You see, I have a plus symbol here. That is where you have to add question. If you move on, it's very self-explanatory. It will take you, you can just click on that. Here comes the next question option. I'm going to give another question. I'm going to see next question is there. What is 5 minus 4? I know it's a very difficult question. Please don't wonder what is happening here. Again, I'm going to keep it as a multiple option. I'm going to make sure it is multiple option. Option 1, I'm going to say it is 4. I'm going to again say it is 5. I'm going to say it is 3. Let me keep this as minus 3. Okay. Now, answer key again. See, the whole purpose is now is to tell you people how these tools are working. Okay. What are the options available? So first time I have to fix the correct answer. What is 7 minus 3 is 4. And I'm going to give marks for this. I'm going to give 1 mark. And I'm going to give answer feedback as usual. I'm going to say, oops. And for correct answer, I'm going to say, no, you can make it little fun. The students will like it. So it is all easy for you to also make this. Now I'm going to make another, let's make 3 questions. Let's say, 5 into 3 is equal to dash. So now the question is, again, I'm going to give it as a multiple option. Let's make options. I'll give you 10. Next option, 20, 15, 20, 25. Now, what is the right answer? Answer is, I know it is going to be 15. I'm not going to give any feedback here. It's okay. You don't have to see that. Now I'm going to, I'm going to give the mark for this 2 marks. Okay. So let me fix it. Now, like this, you can go on adding questions and adding questions. Now I have created 3 questions. I've created 3 questions for how many points? 4 points. So now once this is over, you don't have to do anything. You don't have to do anything. Just you can close this tab simply. That's all. It's all saved. If you have doubt, you can double check. Come here, just click on this link. You will see that it is already there. And if you want to know how it will look for the students, you can just come here and you can make even colorful. You can make it even colorful. Since it is purple, you don't like purple, it's okay. You're doing red. You can make it as orange. It's so fun. You can change colors. You can keep changing the colors. So let me go with this color. Now, how does it look for the students? It will look like this. This is how it will look like. So I'm going to send this file. I'm going to created this. It is for how many marks? 4 marks. I'm leaving 4 marks for this. And I'm going to assign yes. Now you can see it on your mobile phone. See how students are able to do it. Priyanka ma'am, you want to say something? You have raised your hand. You still want to say something? Yeah, I'll unmute you.
Sir, as the quiz option is not there in the Android version,
Yes.
suppose if the teacher makes the quiz in the laptop, but can the students, those who are using phone, they can still take part in the quiz?
Yeah, that
because
is what
all
we are
the students, I
exactly
guess,
going
they're
to.
not using laptops.
That is what exactly we are going to do now. Right now, I have created a quiz from my laptop, and now you're going to take the quiz from your mobile phone. Now you see in your phone.
Okay.
You go to the classroom where the students account, where you used this code. Not the one you created. Not the one you created.
Yes.
The one you joined.
The one you
Can
created. Yeah. Yes.
Yes.
Yes, sir, it is visible.
Yes, ma'am. You can click on that. You can take the quiz. I'll give you 3 minutes time. Just take the quick quiz. Thank you, ma'am. Are you happy?
Yes.
Yeah, you can take the quiz. Kavita, are you taking the quiz?
Yes, sir.
Yeah,
I'm opening it.
You can, if it is not showing up, just refresh the page. It'll pop up in chapter 2. You will see, you can see the icon difference. Okay, I'll just show you on my mobile phone also. If you're not able to see what is going on, I'll show it from my mobile phone. Fantastic. So this is how it will show up to you. You can have to come to the classroom, or it will be on the streaming right here. You can click on this. It will directly take you to this page. So as you can see, you can click on this fun. You can open up with the browser. You have to open up with the browser. Yes. So I'm going to take the quiz. I'm going to click on my answers. I'm going to purposely give wrong answers. I know you all will give right answer. Let me give all the wrong answers. Let's see what happens. I'm going to submit it. See, you should make sure you have to submit it, and the students can submit. Also, students have to submit, and they have to can view the score. They can view their score, and if it is wrong, it will show up like this. Please see this. If it is wrong, it will show up, and I have the feedback. It shows that, oops, you're wrong, and you can give an explanation there. So that's the whole point. I've just given like that. So you can just give your feedbacks in the sense you can attach some link why it is wrong. You can make it more impactful. You can create your own quizzing things. So this is like basically conducting an online test. Okay, this is like basically conducting an online test. So now I'm fine with all this. I've taken the quiz, so this is over. If you have taken the quiz, you can create your own quiz now. I'll give you some time. You can create your own quiz now. I'll give you some time. You're done. If you want to speak to me, you can raise your hand. Yes, sir. Jagwinder, sir, you can talk.
Sir.
Yes, sir.
Can we have the name option that which student has appeared how much, so that if you want to evaluate each student?
Yes, I'm going to show you now. Once you take the quiz, I'll show you now. Once everybody has taken the quiz, I'll show you the result, how to extract it. Okay. That's a nice question.
I have already attempted the result. So as a from teacher's point of view, which student how much, so that scorecard should be in front of us, right, sir?
Yes. I'll show you the teacher's view now. Right now, you have participated as a student.
Okay.
So please understand, I am a teacher. So you guys have taken the test. Being a student, you see, the most important thing is that what happens here is that we tend to miss the perception of students' participation. You know, only when you have the perception of how students are engaging themselves, you'll become more enthusiastic to create things much better. You understand?
Because
so if you know that
I have started my name actually.
You have started your?
I have not typed my name anywhere when I started the quiz.
Yeah, that is okay. That is okay. Yeah, you can even do that. You can create that. One second. I'll do one thing. I'll show you. I think. Sir?
If the students get option to write their name, so I think.
Yeah. That's a good thing. Yeah, I agree. You can do that still. Thank you, sir. Thank you. Now let us see how it is reflecting. Out of 36 people, 10 people have taken the exam. 10 people have taken the quiz. I'm going to see the view. This is how it looks like. So these many people have taken the test. The others have not taken. I'm going to, I want every one of you to please take the test so that it will become interesting. Please click on that. I want you people to participate it. I can see who has not participated yet. Yes, kindly do it fast, real quick, so that I'll show you. It's okay. With 10 people, I think we can see the result. You can click on this, sir. You can see this is how. No, I'm sorry. Yeah, you can come here as a teacher. You can see at the bottom of the screen, you'll see this edit form option. If you are a student, you will not get this option. Since I'm a teacher, since I created this, I get this edit form option. Can you see that, sir?
Yes, I can see, sir.
Yeah, you can click on that either. If you click on this, You can see the responses. How many responses I got? I got 27 responses. Wow. Okay. Nice. But I think you forgot to turn in people. So almost every one of you have participated. I think only I failed. My God. Okay. So the whole range of marks, it will show the median. It will show, how many people have given the right answer here. How many people have given the wrong answers. So only one has given the wrong answer in this question. In this question, 2 people have given the wrong answer. And you want to know the name of the, participant who have given the wrong answer. Right here, you will not know. You have to come here and you have to see the responses. Each questions, or you can go to the individual person's response. Now, the best part is that you can extract or you can download the summary. You can click on this. You can download the responses, the entire responses. You can download it. So how does it look like? I'll show you how does it look. Okay. So I'm just opening this blank quiz. Oh my God, 1 second. I think I've shared my desktop alone. Stop sharing. And now I'm going to screen share. Yes, can you see those, teachers? So this is how we extracted, it comes as an Excel form. You can see how many people participated. Here, unfortunately, we didn't take the name. If you're taking up the name, that will be a brilliant idea. You can do that. I missed that. So you can do that and you'll know each questions, how many people, what is the right answer, what are the options you have got, and what are the points they have got, the feedbacks and everything against this you will get and you can collate it. Okay, that's a one way of doing it. Any doubts, teachers, so far? Am I fine? Okay. So let's close this. And now, once the students have done everything, they have turned in, you can give marks to them. You can start giving marks to them. Yes, sir. I think Jagvinder sir wants to talk.
Sir, sorry, I'm disturbing you with my question.
No, not at all. Not at all. Feel free. Yes.
Sir, just I want to know, sir, what was Naidu sir's score?
Naidu
Because
sir.
if I want to evaluate students, so I want to know each and individually how I have to evaluate.
No. Suppose from the student's perspective, you will not be able to see. You cannot share that result.
Okay, sir.
Since you're a student, if you're a teacher, yes, you can see. Suppose that is what I'm doing now. I'm giving scores here. I'm going against each person's score. I'm allotting marks. So what happened now? Since these many people have participated, I'm just giving marks to them. I'm giving all 4 out of 4. Assume I'm giving 4. I'm giving 4 for Jagvinder sir. I'm this 4 for Rohan and Anisa 4. I'm giving all this marks. Now, once I've given marks to each student, I can even add comment. If I can click on this particular candidate, I can add some private comment to the students that you will get there. I can say, great job, keep it up. So whatever I type it, so it goes to the students as a private, it goes as a private comment. Nobody else will know. Now, once I give this return option from the teacher's side, see, this is what we all should know. We all should know, once we see the results, once we see the works of the students, once you assign the marks, please do not forget to return this. Only I'll tell you what is going to happen. When I do this return thing, all the students will get an email. See here. So this is what I'm going to return. These are the marks. This is going to go as a mail. So once I do return option, every individual will get an email. Please check if you have received an email. Jagvinder sir, you can check.
Yes, sir, I'm checking.
Just check if you have received an email. You have received an email, please raise your hand. The students will get an email. Yes. Vishal sir, can you tell me?
Yes,
What
sir.
you have received?
I have received the mail, sir.
I have
What you have
received
received? Vishal sir, you can speak. What you have received, sir?
the
Can you read
marks
them?
I have received the marks
Fantastic. Okay. So whatever we have done here, you can send it to the students. When you click return, it will go. Suppose, assume, see, there are some students who didn't finish, like it will show as assigned. So these people didn't participate, or see, you have participated, but you guys didn't submit it. You guys didn't submit, or you guys didn't return it. So what I should do, I'm selecting everyone, who has, see, these are the graded people. These are the people I've given the marks, and these are the people they have completed, but unfortunately they didn't submit it or they didn't return it. So I've selected them. What I can do is that I cannot return it, but whereas what I can do, let us assume these people are incomplete participants. Okay. So what I can do is that I can email the selected participants. You see what I did now? I have clicked on this email thing. So it opens up here like this as an email option. So where the best part is that all the recipient will go under BCC. So where nobody will know the other participants' email ID or anything, it will be highly confidential and secure. So what you can do here, you can ask them, kindly return the assignments. Whatever you wanted to say. You understand, teachers? And if I send a message for people who didn't submit it, now you will receive a mail. Can you see that? Just instantly, I wanted you people to see that. Now, every one of you might have received an email. Once you received an email, you can raise your hand. I'm not going to take much of your time. We are almost done. So I'm almost covered a wide range here, which is at least the basics. You have received, teachers, or you wanted to speak? You can raise your hand. Brilliant. I would like to know. Okay. Lohita, what was your mail? Can you tell me, or let's ask Tanaya? Okay. I'm unmuting you. Tanaya Chaudhary. What was your email?
So I have received the mail. So I received the mail saying that kindly return the assignment as soon as possible.
Fantastic. Great. Thank you. Thank you, ma'am. So that is how you will get for the student. That's how the students will also receive an email. So this is how you can easily engage the students from here. Now, if I want to get the whole, thing, the inputs, yes. What will I do? I can again go back. That's all. So what we have done here, I can come to the grading option. Now you see, as a teacher, I'm going to come here. I'm going to click on this grades. You see, I have graded the students' entire name list. You can see in my students' name list, I can see the marks of my students' performance. This missing thing is that I have not graded yet, which means something is missing. Are you happy, teachers? If you're happy, you can raise your hand. Naidu sir, you want to speak? I'm going to unmute you. Naidu sir, you can speak.
Sir, what is the limitation of each class? How many students can participate?
So you can have, we are right now having around 60, 70 students happily,
okay,
no problem.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir, that much.
Thank you. So I'm glad you people are enjoying. So you can raise your hand quickly so that we'll move on. So final thing, how to extract the result. Now I'm going to show you, not from here. So this is how, what we have done right now is that, okay, people didn't ask me what is this stream is all about. Okay. So that is is there any time limit? Unlike Zoom, no time limits. So you can use it. There's nothing, no. This is nothing to do with timings and all that. So you can happily do it, teacher. Yes. So what we are going to do, what is the streaming option? So once you are inside the class, suppose assume that I'm coming here, I'm getting inside the class. What you should do, please, in your Google thing itself, go to the setting. Now you can do it right now. You can, once your Google thing, you go to your settings and you can see, if you don't want to receive email notification, you can turn off. Okay. And you don't want to receive, these are the notification options. When I will recommend you people to keep it on so that as and when changes are happening, you will get the notifications in your email saying that students have posted some comments, students have submitted so and so. So, you can instantly check them and you can keep it active. So if you feel that is a nuisance, you can completely stop all this. You'll never receive any email. Okay. So once in a while, but you have to make sure you have a time period that you are going to log in and see specifically what they have done. But I'll tell you, if you're keeping this open, it is going to fill your inbox like anything. I'm telling you, because anything they do, it will come inside your email Dropbox. So your inbox will be full. So yes. Now, what is next? You go to the class. I was talking about stream. What is the streaming? This is a place where a teacher can post anything. Now, being a student, you can also post anything. Okay, can you see that you can post? You see your class 12A. You can go to the class 12A class and you can go to the stream. You can click on them. You can post a comment there. Can you post it quickly as a student? You can say, hi, sir. Everybody say hi. Just do it quickly. I'm getting some. Go to the stream of class 12A. Class 12A, go to the stream and you can type hi. Can you able to do it? I'm unable to see. I'm refreshing it again. How many people have typed hi? Wow, fantastic. So this is how it happens. If the students started sharing from their, if we keep it open for the students, they keep chatting, they keep posting it, everything on the stream. So they will never get into the classroom thing and they will never post it. So if this option is open for them, so everybody will start typing or sharing anything from the stream. And as a teacher, this classroom is not according to me, for me as a teacher, this is not an organized class. So to take a control, what I'm going to do is that I'm going to have the access of stream only for the teacher. So what I'll do, I'll go to the setting. You see that there's a setting option inside the class. You have to get inside the class. You have to come inside the class. You then go to the setting option, which is on your screen. You can see there's somewhere you will see this tool button, setting button. You can click on that. Please come down. You can see the stream layer. You have to click this and make sure it is only teacher can post. Only teacher can post or comment. If you keep it like this, and again in class, work on the stream. This is okay. So make sure at least in the stream, only I'm going to change the setting. Please make sure you're also changing the setting. Only teacher can post things. And now you can, don't forget to save this. Once I save this, now I want you people to refresh it and try. You can never send it. But you will find an option where you can type, but you cannot send. Can anybody acknowledge the fact? Can you say yes? Can you say yes? If you find it, if it is, you cannot now go inside the classroom, class 12A, you type it, you cannot type it, right? Isn't it? Anybody has done, please raise your hand so that I'll hear, we all can hear your experience. You can share your experience. Yes, Subhashni, can you tell me, Subhashni, what is happening? I'll unmute you. Subhashni, can you hear me? Okay, I'm unable to hear you. Jagvinder sir, I think you can talk.
It came, there is an error.
There is an error. Okay, you can refresh it and you can try. You can never send because now I have blocked it.
When I typed the message and I have write it as post there, so it came, there is an error. So it could not be
exactly. Yes, you cannot post it because I have restricted. Yes, because I have restricted it. So everyone should have the same feeling. Okay, so this is how it works. You can have a complete control of your class. So this is the simplest form of giving a quick demo. And see, everything comes on, once you start using the technology, once you start using it, it becomes a, hands-on thing, right? So the more you use it, the more you get used to it, you get familiar, you start exploring things. Most of the things are self-explanatory. Wherever you click, you'll know what is happening, what is there. You can all you have to be a little curious to know what is going on, what is happening. I would like to show you some of my classroom, which is my the classroom which I'm organized, which I've kept it for my personal use. In my classes, I'll show you. You can see it on the screen. I'll show you a couple of my classes. So how I'm maintaining. So far, I've never conducted quiz because I do it polling directly on the class. So this is my Google Classroom. So this is how I maintain my class. You can, in fact, the interesting part, if you're using a desktop, you can even change the theme. See, I don't want to see this shoe and lace and other things. Okay, I can select this theme option from my desktop. I can design it. I can go to if you're an English teacher, you go and type here. You can keep a pen and notebook. So I wanted to keep it like this. You can select the theme, so it will change. See how colorful it is, how interesting it is. You can keep it fun. When the students are seeing, it'll be interesting for them. When they open up and they see, as soon as I changed here, it changed. Okay, see class 12A initially. Even in your phone, you can see it would have changed now. So now I'll show you a couple of my classes. I'll show you my class 12, this CBSE. This is how I maintain the naming for convenience, so that I have an organized way of keeping it. Which board, which class, which subject, and which year, because I'm using it for the 4th year now. So this is how the streaming looks like. You can see none of the students, all the posting would be here. The assignments, the materials, whatever I have shared. This is the stream. I'm showing you under stream option, where you will never see any student commenting or posting anything here. They just receive the input. That's all. There is no nuisance. There is no nothing happening. It's well maintained. Now I'll show you my classwork, how I'm maintaining. Okay, this is my classworks. I have titles. I have topics. This is how I do it. This is my current year material, as you can see. So if you want to see any of the assignments, I'll show you how I have created an assignment. This is very important. So I'll click on the view assignment. I'll show you how these assignments will look like. So this is how I look. I have shared an assignment here, as you can see, as a screenshot from the textbook. See, all the textbooks are PDF, right? So I've given assignment on exercise 3.2. So, okay, it's trying to retrieve. It is not opening for some reason. Okay. There must be some problem. 1 second. I'll show you some other file. So, okay. Now, I mean, you should also know how students, will submit the assignment. I please recommend the students to submit the assignment in the PDF form. Please see here. I have created an assignment using Google Doc. Okay. So this is how I have created an assignment using Google Doc. So I'm just clicking on the Google Doc. I'll show you how I have created. I have attached the image of the particular session. Can you see that? I've taken a screenshot from the textbook. I've just attached the image here in the document file. So I have sent it to the student. Now I'll show you how the student, this is my assignment page. We can see the student's work. Okay, I've given the assignment for 20 marks, and yeah, under the heading, under the topic. Now this is how you will see the page. Now you see, I'll show you some of the students' work. Students will have to write on a paper on their notebook. They have to scan it, or they have to take a proper photo of it, and they have to attach it. Can you see that? You can see notes of the students happily just on your mobile. Okay, if you're using a desktop or a laptop, try to get a small version of it. Find some from your friends, let it for 2 months. It will make your job easy. So this is how the students will share their homework. So this is Sarah's assignment. If I want to go to the next person, I can just simply click here. This simply shows the next person's assignment. So this is this guy's. So what I can do, I can give grading here. I can give marks. So I've given 16 marks because of his shabby presentation. Little bit he can do it much better. So whatever I can give points here. So this is how it happens. So Anita's assignment is missing, and Govardhan, you can see. This is how you can see. Suppose if I want to add some comment here, okay, let's just assume I want to add some comment on this. So I want to tell them, you can click on. You can see on this. You can click this plus button. Do you see that? Can you read it? It says add a comment. I'm just clicking on this, selecting that. The cursor will change as a plus option. I'm just going to select this, whichever place I'm going to add a comment. So this box opens up and you can say a comment. I can say write neatly or whatever you wanted to add. Then if you say it's a mistake, you can say what is a mistake there and you can comment here. What you should do, the students will able to see this from their side. You understand what I'm talking? If I do this, the students will be able to see the comments from their side when they're opening. So you can keep adding the comments because you cannot correct it here. That's not practically possible. If you're using a mobile phone, you can do it still. You can use the swipe option and you can do it. So yeah, so this is how it look like. I'm giving you the complete view of how things will look like. And I can, as I said, I can extract the report. I'll show you of this particular, these grades. You can see it is coming out as a PDF assignment on inverse trigonometry. It is opening up. You can see. You got it. Bingo. Got all the assignments, their marks, and you can directly send it to the school management. The best part I would like to show you is the overall performance. This is something you should know. I'm going to the class. Now I'm going to go to the grades. So here I will get the entire perception of students' performance list. You see the data. Each student have got class average you will get, and each student's average marks, whatever you'll get. How many people have missed the assignments? You can easily track them from here. If you want to see an individual student's performance, I can just click on that particular name. I can see many assignments that individual students have submitted, how much average marks they have got, and all those details. It is brilliant. You have to explore it. That's it. You just have to start using this. Once you start using it, I'm very sure, because I can feel that you guys are doing a wonderful job now. I'm pretty sure and confident that you guys can do a wonderful job in this. So that's it. I'm just concluding my session here. I can take a final, once everything is over, you can extract a complete report from here. You see that? I'm going to come here. I can extract a complete report of my students. Not a problem. Okay. Any doubts you have, teachers? Sorry. Any doubts? Dilip sir, you said it is not possible. Something, yeah, you can raise your hand if you have any doubts. Jagvinder sir, yes.
So like right now we are taking class in Zoom.
Yes, sir.
Right now, for all the school classes is conducted in Zoom. Sir, like in Zoom, we have students' presence over there. The same will be here itself, or it will be something different. Like I have given one quiz, so it may happen student may take it after some time. He's not.
Yes, yes, sir. Here you cannot have a total control over the students. They can, it can be. That is what I'll make the quiz little interesting. I'll keep it an open book quiz. I'll not keep it as a, you cannot make it clear.
Means like, sir, if we can engage them in better way, I think that would have been much better.
Which one? That there you can use it through polling option.
Okay, sir.
So this is totally different. What I'm currently showing you is not an assessment. It is just an assessment. For the time being, what we can do now during this quarantine time, the best thing what you can do is this. If you want to create,
to some extent, we can evaluate students whether they are writing things or not, or they are doing things or not.
Yes, exactly. You can give them some homeworks. You can ask them to write it and submit it. Maintaining their notes, copying things, redoing it. Make sure they are engaged. So this is one way of keeping the engagement formal and official. I'm using it again. This is one way of keeping the engagement formal and official. Okay, so it is very official way of engaging it. So you're accountable. And you can see everything here in a single place, right? So if a parent is asking, you can tell them, so I've given so and so assignment, they didn't submit it. So whatever I'm showing is an assignment, not an assessment. Assessment is different. I'm just showing the assignment part. As you can see on the heading, they're all assignments, not assessments.
We'll have to practice a little bit, sir.
Yes.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Pleasure, sir. Pleasure is mine. So I'll tell you quickly how to, I think this is all about Google Classroom. Any other